Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to create and customize mail merge templates using xFanatical Foresight automation tool. If you are an employee or an employer who has to work in an office every day, then there is one job which every member has to commonly perform: the task of sending email. It is a part of the routine that has to be done daily, multiple times a day. If you are an entrepreneur who is running the whole organization, then you need to use a specific template for emails. One for the employees, another for vendors and suppliers, and a third one for the stakeholders. And most of the time you have to do it on a recurring basis. It is a tiring job and a time-consuming task. With the help of xFanatical Foresight, you will be able to send the same mail template to various recipients with different salutations to different designation classes. Instructions: create a Google Sheet with 4 columns: first name, last name, email, and email template. After that, you need to download this as a CSV. Creation of the rule. Log into your Foresight account with your Google admin account. Go to the Rules page and click the New Rule button. Step 1. Select Data Uploaded Trigger from the Select a Trigger screen. Upload the downloaded CSV file. Click Next. Step 2. Select the If action. We will create 3 branches. Branch 1. Welcome on board branch. Add conditions as email template as first field. Text starts with as second, and welcome on board as last field. Click Add Next Action. Select Email Action. Provide different email body with respect to branch names. Return to If action and add branch 2. Thank you for feedback branch. Add conditions as email template as first field. Text starts with second, and thank you for feedback as last field. Click Add Next Action. Select Email Action. Provide different email body with respect to branch names. Return to If action and add branch 3. Marketing template branch. Add conditions as email template as first field. Text starts with second and marketing template as last field. Click Add Next Action and select Email Action. Provide an email body with respect to the branch's name. Once it is done, click Review. Step 3. Give the rule name and click Create. Triggering of the rule. As you can see, the rule is created. Now click on the Upload icon on the rule card and upload the same CSV file to trigger the rule. Check the notifications. Click on the bell icon, and you will see that the rule has been executed successfully. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.